Hey there, paints and coating professionals! Ready to take your expertise to the next level? Don't miss this advanced coatings training. This is part 2 of our series, diving deep into smart coatings. What's in this part 2? Well, innovative synthesis and application methods that push performance and versatility. Master cutting-edge techniques like sol gel processes and electrochemical deposition. These methods create specialized coatings for industries from automotive to aerospace. And that's not all. Explore advanced methods like electrostatic spraying and spin coating. These techniques ensure uniform and durable film formation. Learn to use tools like scanning electron microscopy and atomic force microscopy to assess surface properties. We're diving into real-world applications. Case studies show the impact of smart coatings in sectors like automotive, electronics, and healthcare. Think enhanced durability, functionality, and safety. But it's not just about performance. We'll cover the hazardous properties of nanomaterials, learn about their toxicological aspects, health and environmental risks, and exposure mechanisms. Discuss risk assessment and management strategies for safe and responsible use. Why should you not miss this training? Well, here's what you'll gain. Enhance technical expertise. Understand paint and coating manufacturing processes. Stay competitive and innovative. Discover solutions like self-healing and antimicrobial coatings. Ensure safety and compliance. Learn best practices for safe handling and regulatory compliance of nanomaterials. Optimize manufacturing processes. Improve production techniques to enhance product quality and efficiency. Promote sustainability. Understand eco-friendly practices and sustainable formulations in coating manufacturing. Now you may ask, who should attend? Well, this is perfect for R&D chemists, formulators, chemical engineers, product developers, scientists, technicians, and lab managers. If you're a specialist in coatings, polymers, or related industries, this is for you. During this training, we'll cover synthesis and application methods, testing and characterization of smart coatings, industrial applications and case studies, future trends and research directions, hazardous properties of nanomaterials, health and safety risks, risk assessment and management, regulatory framework and guidelines, safe handling and disposal practices, and of course a question and answer session to wrap it all up. So don't miss out. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills to excel in the rapidly advancing field of advanced and smart coatings. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss any important training update and alerts from OnlyTRAININGS.